Today we are looking at the Britannia Lynx RS Fairing for the wr250r. This is what's included in the package with the added wiring harness. We get some stickers here for the fairing. Did get this fairing with the sport shield. They do have different options. Here's the instructions that comes in the kit. Thought it'd be cool to make a video on this kit because there wasn't any out there when I was looking, and it was kind of hard to decide, but I did kind of like this one better. Here's the back of the lights. This is a light bulb in here. But I don't know. This right here just reminds me of like Star Wars or something. We got two Baja design lights there. So you can kind of see. It's kind of hard to see with the reflection in here. You got a low beam, and these two are going to be high beams. I think it looks pretty good. Windscreen attaches here in these channels. You can move it up or down depending on what you're doing. The sport one I have will end pretty close to the top right here. I do have this new dash here. I don't have anything for it at this moment, but we might put a GPS or something in there later. I already have a phone mount on my handlebars, but I do get off at night, so it's the added wind protection of the fairing, and then the added lights will be much better for night driving. Here's the added fuse panel. Let's see if we can get a glimpse of it. It's accessories where you can add 4 circuits and like a USB or 12 volts or UPS mount. This comes in the kit. This is the bottom mount for the fairing on my bike. This is a headlight adapter for this specific fairing. This looks like the hardware that I would need for the fairing, and that is it. It was a pretty quick ship date on this. Ordered it. I got an email the next day. Told me it would be made on a Friday. They shipped it out on a Monday, and I had it 2 days later. So this is the Britannia Lynx RS. So the RS means it has these two lights and this is the high output lights. They do make this one in one of these on top and one on this one on the bottom, but this one was cheaper when I was purchasing it, so I like the look. Kind of reminded me of some of Star Wars, and I was like, if it's cheaper and I get 2 of them, why not? So if you guys have any questions, let me know. Might make a video maybe installing this on the bike, and then make a after it's all installed on the bike, maybe some nighttime comparisons. Tried doing some nighttime with the stock headlight I have on the bike, but it's so dim you can barely see. I can barely see with it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, I hope you do. Mainly made it just because I couldn't find one of this design, and I really wanted to see it when I was purchasing the bike. Or not the bike, but the fairing here. And there just wasn't any videos. It was hard to find anything on this specific RS. So that's why we are making this. So we can see it. It does come in white or black. I picked the white color. And this is it for a wr250r. I do believe they're probably pretty similar to most of the small bikes, because they do sell them only for small bikes. And then like the windshield attaches up here. There we go. Be like that. So when it's all the way down, it's pretty close to sitting level at the top, and then you can raise it up for the wind. So that would be really nice for driving on highway speeds. That's where I live. There's a lot of highway between trails, so I'm hopefully gonna daily drive this bike a little bit with the gas prices now, so that's why I jumped on this already. But I think we'll close this video off here. If you guys have any questions, put them in the comments and I will try to answer them.